Hello! With shared email templates, you can create a consistent email signature for everyone in the team. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Without further ado, let's get started. In the Shared Email Templates pane, I go to the Signatures tab, I select the team I want to create a signature for, right-click on it, and select New Signature. Here's an important note. To create and manage team-wide signatures, you should be an editor in your team. So, the Shared Email Templates app opens in my default browser. First, I'll enter a name for the signature. Next, I choose a color theme and a layer template for it. Then I go to the Fields tab to fill these fields with the necessary info. Since I want the signature to work for everyone in my team, I cannot just manually type in the information. Instead, I will set up some fields so they automatically fill in with my teammates' details. So how do we get this information automatically? It's simple. It can be pulled from your organization's Azure Active Directory, company properties, team properties, or user properties. For the General section, I click the three dots and select Load from Azure AD Properties. Now, let's move to the Contact Details section. This time, I'll pull the information from company properties and team properties. To insert a phone number, which by the way is already in the company account properties, I click on the three dots next to the phone field and select Insert from Company Properties. In the dialog, I select Phone from the drop-down list and click OK. I'll do the same for the email address. I'll enter the company website manually because it's the same for all team members. I enter the text to display first and then I paste the URL. Now I want to remove the company postal address and social media links. I click on the three dots next to the field I don't want and I select Remove Field. By the way, you can remove any field this way and even delete all fields in any section in bulk. The signature is almost ready, but I think I will also add the email address of the team I'm creating this signature for. I want to pull this email address from the team properties. I click the Add Field button, select the email checkbox, and click Add. I click on the three dots and select Insert from Team Properties. The email option is missing from the drop-down list because no one has added it to the team properties yet. But I can add it myself because I have editor permissions in my team. To keep the changes I've made, I save the signature and go to the Manage account, then I select the team I want to add the property to and click on the Team Properties button. The Team Properties sidebar appears. I click on the Add Property button, enter the name for the property and enter the email address which I want to make a team property. I click the Save button. Now that the team has the email address as a property, I'll go back to the team signature. I click on the Signatures tab, select the team signature, and click on the Edit button. Once again, I click on the three dots next to the second email address and select Insert from Team Properties. I select Email from the drop-down list in the Team Properties dialog and I click OK. I save the signature. Looks nice! Let me switch back to Outlook. Now I want the signature to appear in the new email whenever I insert the team's email template there. To do that, I right-click the signature in the admin pane and select Default for new messages. Let's see how it works. I select a team template to insert into my new email message and click Insert. Wonderful! My signature, along with the email template, appears in my message. And that's how the signature looks in my teammate's account. As you can see, he has his own details in the signature. And this information stays the same in both signatures. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your shared email templates!